Do not walk out of this building. I resent you going out and acting like a child and screaming. What a sad commentary that I have to have the mother of a 25-year-old come up here. It's time to grow up. I don't know what to tell you. Wait, why are you interrupting your lawyer? It's time to grow up. Stop. If you're going to act like a criminal, at least take it like a man. You have 13 counts. You haven't been here in 2 years. The meth, no, and all the opiates. The chance of surviving that and being happy, I'd say, are the shot chance of some ball player tonight hitting a fastball over the center field fence 729 feet.
And I'm not trying to have a sob story or make you feel bad for me, because nobody shouldn't, because I've been doing it to myself.
I have no idea how someone can ignore a court date for more than 2 years, rack up over $1,500 in unpaid fees, and then storm out yelling because he doesn't want to deal with his sentencing, yet here we are. You couldn't invent a story this ridiculous. He's 25 years old, shows up with his mother in tow, and still behaves like he's being dragged to principal's office. And the entire time, he keeps cutting off the judge as if talking louder is going to magically rewrite the rules. He honestly seems convinced that arguing nonstop will somehow erase the consequences he's been dodging. Tell me down below, does a grown adult bringing their mom to court seem normal to you? Or is that as awkward as it looks? Anyway, let's break this down.
Name, sir? All right, so Mr. Minnick is in here on multiple violations. He's got 13 of them. I set a bond on him of $7,500, 10% on August 25th. How is he going to proceed on all of these? Let's start with the misdemeanor charge of the operating while impaired from July of 23. How's he going to proceed on all these?
Does this time you agree?
Well, he already did that. We're gonna have a hearing today, right?
On that, I wasn't aware, Judge, that we're having a hearing on that.
Well, he stood mute, waived reading on August 25th. I set a bond. He's got multiple charges. Failure to attend the probation visit. September 12 of 23. Failure to attend the court work program. August 12 of 23. Failure to attend, provide proof of completing victim's impact. Failure to pay fines and costs. Balance owing $12.85. Failure to refrain from violating a law. Being convicted of disturbed the peace in August of 23. Failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs. Testing positive on July 31 of 23 for heroin, fentanyl, THC, opiates, and meth. Failure to submit to weekly testing as ordered. Count 6, August 11 of 23. Count 7, August 16 of 23. Count 8, August 22 of 23. Count 9, August 29 of 23. Count 10, September 6 of 23. And then failure to submit to weekly testing as ordered on September 15 of 23. Failure to provide verification of attending NA 3 times a week until an IOP. And failure to provide proof of attending and completing intensive outpatient treatment. So those are the charges.
Judge, if the court would recall, when I was in here earlier, I don't know if was having a breakdown outside. The court did indicate that they would allow an adjournment.
Why?
I said that was communicated to Mr. Murdoch, and that was, I believe, the reason that he came back. He's going to ask the court to adjourn this so that if the court does decide that he's going to go out and serve some time, he's got to make arrangements, Judge, for he's got some young children, and a girlfriend that live with him.
How old are you?
25. I'm trying to.
How old are you?
25. I'm trying.
How old are you?
I'm 25, sir, and I'm trying to.
How old are
act
you?
Like if, no,
No, you're not acting anywhere close to it.
I was trying.
It's time to grow up. Stop. If you're going to act like a criminal, at least take it like a man. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes,
Okay. You have 13 counts. You haven't been here in 2 years. I mean, you're going to have to search hard and far and wide and long and probably, I don't know where you'd go in the United States to find somebody who's going to be sympathetic to you, son. You don't do this. You don't do this. So I don't really want to hear it. We're going with the hearing today, or you're going to plead today, whichever your choice is. Do not walk out of this building. Do we understand one another? It's that simple. No wonder he's worried about going to jail. I didn't even stop. Stop.
No, you're good. No,
I'm talking to your
I'm
lawyer right now.
I apologize. I apologize.
Yes.
I get it. It happens. The meth, the fentanyl, the heroin, all the opiates. The chance of surviving that and being happy, I'd say, are the shot chance of some ball player tonight hitting a fastball over the center field fence 729 feet. Now, I'm not going to play games with him. And I resent you going out and acting like a child and screaming. Okay? Is this his mother?
Yes.
Your Honor, mother.
Come on up here. What a sad commentary that I have to have the mother of a 25-year-old come up here.
You can stand next to that one.
Your name, ma'am?
Miss Patricia Wilkins-Minnick.
I don't know what to do with your son here.
I don't know what to do with him either, Your Honor. He's destroying his life.
Something about this situation feels almost surreal. This man is old enough to have his own household, yet he reacts to basic questions like a kid who missed nap time. The judge is calmly trying to explain what's happening, and he keeps butting in like he's the one in charge. What makes it even more wild is he has 13 separate violations, but still believes he should get a pass. And yes, last time he was here, he literally bailed out of the courtroom mid-hearing, shouting all the way out. I don't know if it's his personality or just years of never being held accountable, but the entitlement levels are off the chart. Every era has people who struggle with discipline. That's nothing new. But the lack of boundaries some folks grow up with is starting to show in cases like this. And honestly, his mother being present and trying to smooth everything over makes me wonder if she's part of why he's never learned how to stand on his own. Because this is just flat out embarrassing.
When's the last time you worked?
About 2 weeks ago.
Where?
At Roofman's Home Improvement Company that I usually work.
What's the name of it?
Napier's.
How long did you work at Napier's?
I worked there probably about since I was 19.
6 years. How many hours do you? Yeah, I don't know. If I don't know. How much on and how much off?
Just like 2 times I was always, and plus like seasonal, when during the winter we don't work, so I had to find other things to do during winter.
Is he living with you?
Yes.
Get used to it.
That was just recently, within the last few months.
Where were you living before that?
I was with my girlfriend and the kids.
You got kids too.
I have 3 children. Yeah.
So you're fooling around with all these drugs. You don't show up in court. You got 3 kids. You're acting like a little child out in your car. It's time to grow up. I don't know what to tell you.
You're completely right. And that's
Well, then stop
that's why I
acting
wanna
like a
stop
big.
running- That's why I want to stop running from it. I really do. It's I can't. I've been
You're scared,
struggling.
don't It's okay to
I
say you're
get it.
scared.
I'm afraid. I've been struggling with this.
Judge, he's not his lawyer.
Wait a minute. Slow down. Who's talking here?
He's been trying to get through detox twice, Judge. He's been
I
really
did it.
Wait, why are you interrupting your lawyer?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
According to Mr. Minnock, Judge, he's twice tried to detox. He's been in patient rehabilitation, and he's unfortunately.
When's the last time you used? Tell me the truth. Don't lie to me. Tell me the truth. Don't lie.
3 years ago.
That long ago?
Yes.
You sure it wasn't yesterday?
No.
Sure it wasn't this morning?
I no, it was not this morning.
What did you use?
Apparently.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Yeah, I'm not just going.
You're just playing Russian
Obviously, I
roulette.
don't want to say that. I know.
You're playing Russian
I know
roulette
I'm
with.
making horrible choices, and I've been making horrible choices. I can't change the past of what I've done. You know, I wish I could. And I'm not trying to have a sob story or make you feel bad for me, because nobody should, because I've been doing it to myself. But if there's any possible way that I can make the steps forward to prove to you that I do want to change this and get and put all this behind me, I will do whatever it takes.
Now you're saying that because you know you're in deep trouble because you didn't.
Yes.
Why do you keep interrupting me? Do I look like the kind of guy that wants to be interrupted all the time? Did he do anything?
Nothing, Your Honor. I met with counsel just before he came in, went through the file. Unfortunately, 0 days of work program, no treatment, no 12 step. I wish I had something positive to say in regards to Mr. Minnick. I know you mentioned earlier he's got 13 counts. I do want to make sure I try to highlight the file. He does have the non-technical violation as well. Just to point out, as far as being pleading guilty to a new offense, it's 14 counts. I don't have anything. I think he's over his 2 years as of July
Yeah.
27th.
Did you pre-try this case with Trenton this morning? The suspend charge? There was a suspend charge.
I only had just the one file, Judge. I wasn't getting the other file.
I mean, I think we need to go forward on this, one way or the other. So you want to talk to him, or what do you want to do? If he wants to have a hearing, we'll give him a hearing. If he wants to plead guilty, he can plead guilty. If he doesn't, that's fine too. What's he want to do?
Can we have a few minutes, Judge? We'll come back.
Sure.
What's going on with the clear?
Still the same.
Me?
Judge, may I get an extra minute?
So what are we doing on this?
That Mr. Minnick will plead guilty to violation.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, you know.
You plead guilty here. Since this has been an absconsion, you've absconded, you could get 93 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
To the count one that you failed to attend your scheduled visit on September 12 of 23, how do you plead with probation? How do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
Did you fail to appear on that day?
Yes, sir.
Count two that you failed to attend the court work program on August 12 of 23, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Count three, you failed to provide proof of attending the victim's impact panel, how do you plead? Count four, you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, how do you plead? Count five, that you failed to refrain from violating a law, being convicted of disturbed the peace in 2023. Count six, that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for fentanyl, heroin, THC, opiates, and meth on a chemical test of July 31 of 23. How do you plead? Count six, that you failed to submit to weekly testing. Nice and loud.
Guilty.
Judge,
Count seven, that you failed to submit to weekly testing as ordered on August 16th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count eight, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on August 22nd of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count nine, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on August 29 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 10, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on September 6 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 11, that you failed to submit the weekly testing as ordered on September 15 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 12, that you failed to provide verification of attending AA 3 times a week until an IOP. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 13, that you failed to provide proof of attending and completing intensive outpatient treatment. How do you plead?
Guilty.
That you failed to attend and complete outpatient treatment. I can't hear.
Guilty.
yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Oh, yes.
You can tell me if you disagree. At this point, I'm completely done with this guy's act. After everything he's pulled skipping court for 2 years, yelling at the bench, melting down like he's being mistreated, I genuinely think the harshest penalty is long overdue. You can literally watch the judge trying to stay composed. But even he's running out of patience with this grown man pretending he's being wronged. And meanwhile, his mom is sitting there, watching her adult son unravel in front of a courtroom full of people. If I were her, I would have stayed home out of secondhand embarrassment alone. Honestly, it feels like years of enabling have caught up with him. And to make things even more concerning, he's 25, has 3 children, struggles with substance issues, and still behaves like this. Tell me what you think the judge should do, because from where I'm sitting, it might finally be time for him to face the maximum sentence and learn the hard way.